Oh my god, it's so scary. I wouldn't recommend watching this photo before bedtime. MIDJOURNEY is the fastest growing neural network that allows you to realize your fantasies in images. With a good description you can get photos that you would never see in real life. Now I will show you the top 5 fascinating arts that created the neural network. This city is clearly abandoned. The gray tones of the picture very accurately convey the emotions that a person experiences standing in the middle of the road. The whole picture is complemented by destroyed buildings that shine through the fog. What if you don't brush your teeth for a month? That's right, they will turn green. In fact, these are teeth that are made of green jelly, remind of chewing candy. At first glance it may seem that this is some kind of lamp or egg. What if I told you that this is a spaceship made out of a skull? I didn't expect this. The whole atmosphere is transmitted by the glowing eyes on the sides and the nebula from the bottom of the ship. Perhaps it lands on some planet. Have you ever seen a priest's owl? I'm not either. But for this we just have a neural network that has created a stunning photo of an owl in a black nun costume. Looks impressive. Oh my god, it's so scary. I wouldn't recommend watching this photo before bedtime. The photo shows two owls who are dressed in dark cloaks with the white headbands. Actually, that is Halloween. They would definitely take the first place in the competition of the most frightening costumes. And now you have to guess what is depicted on this art. I combined two things. A little hint. It's edible and alive. Write your ideas in the comments, it turned out to be very creative.